Hello, in this video today I would like to show you how to review the critical path in your Microsoft project. Okay, and in this video I'm using the version 2019 for Microsoft project. So now let's get started. This is the Microsoft project plan I will be using in this video. On the left hand you can see there are some tasks who are broken down here. I also include some the duration and started, finished, predecessor, and resource name for each task in this plan. Okay, and on the right hand you can see in the time scale. This is the Gantt chart for this project plan. Okay, so now if you want to see the critical path for this project plan, so how to do it. Okay. To answer this question, so I think we need to understand what does it mean critical path. So the critical path in the project that means it is the longest path in the project. But keep in mind that this is the shortest way to finish the project soon. Okay, so here if you want to display the critical path in the project plan, we have a lot of ways. Firstly, you go to the menus and click on the Format tab here. Okay. In the bar style section, you can see we have the critical task checkmark here. Let's go ahead to click on this one to check. Okay. So after the critical task is checked, you can see on the time scale there are some tasks in rest format. Okay. So any task in rest format that means it belongs to the critical path. Okay. Scroll it down. Yeah. Okay. You can press the control on the keyboard and click on and then scroll and zoom in, zoom out to make the time scale look better. Okay. And here you have another way. Instead of viewing the critical task in the time scale, you are able to add a new column here. Let me add new columns before the duration column here. Just go ahead to click on this one and click on insert column. Yeah. And then you type in total. Oh, sorry. Let me try it again. Total select. Okay. So here the select that means the how long the task can be delayed. So for example, you take a look into the task 2.1. This is project chapter, and this one is in rest color. So that means this task will belong to the critical path. And when you take a look into the total select, you can see the value here is 0 days. Yeah. And the same thing for scope definition project plan. We also have the duration. The total select is 0. So that means you will know that the values or the total select of the critical path will be 0. Okay. And for example, when you take a look into the task 3.1, it does not belong to the critical path. So you can see we have the total select here. Okay. Same thing for the task below is 5.8. It have the total select is greater than 0. Okay. So we can summarize that for any task which belong to the critical path will have the total select is 0. And other tasks which is out of the critical path will have the total select is greater than 0. Okay. So here you click on the view. You navigate to the data section. We have the filter. If you click on the drop down list here and select the critical here. After that, the system will only filter the data and display the critical task. Okay, here you see in the time scale the task will be in rest only. Okay, and for the total select, all of the task here will be have the total select is 0. Okay. If you want to reset the filter, you click on no filter. Okay, it will back to the previous read. Okay, and also we have the highlight feature. You just go ahead to click on the highlight. By default, it will be no highlight. You click on the drop down list here and select the critical here. And all of the tasks will be in highlight. For this one, it is in blue. Okay, no filter, no highlight. Okay, so I hope that after you finish this video, you know how to identify the critical task and critical path in the project plan. Okay, you also understand the term is total select. Okay, so if the total select for each task it is equal 0, that means that task will belong the critical path. Otherwise, if the total select is greater than 0, so that means that task will be out of the critical path. Okay, I hope this video will helpful for you. Let me know if you see any issue or you have any question. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you later in another video.